O filme, no decorrer do seu desenvolvimento, teve uma parceria muito importante, que foi a do Uwe Dresch, o nosso coprodutor alemão. Figuração aí, cochichando, hein? Todo mundo atento.
I got an email from João Rodrigo from Brazil. He sent me a screenplay and said, let's make that project together. It can be co-production. We have already worked before on another movie in Brazil. I was there making the sound. We checked how we can put these things together. 1 year later, I was in Brazil and I was part of that. I was making original sound. Was part of the film set. I was the only one from abroad in a completely Brazilian production, and I really liked that experience. I was involved in the process of editing, brought some ideas. So a few weeks later, we had a cut, and then the work on the sound started. I said, okay, which style of sound could this movie have? I tried to make the sound effects with most of original recordings from the location to get the most authenticity that fits to the image. We had more than 250 audio tracks, so I invited João to come 1 week before we go to the final studio to check and recheck everything. We finished the sound with authenticity, and we decided now we have all elements we need to go to Berlin to arrange them in the final mix. We came in the studio of Post Republic, which really has the Hollywood standard, and I invited my most preferred re-recording mixer, Tobias Fleig, to the final mix.
Basically, it was very, very nice because there were no limitations and we could do everything we wanted at any time. Most of the story is told without understanding the language, you know, it's pretty clear what's happening. I really like the story from the beginning on, and the picture work is very, very nice. I think it's lovely images, and we try to you know, keep the same level with the sound. So I'm very happy now to, you know, finish off these days, these exhausting days, with a great result. I think I'm pretty happy, yeah, with the sound.
I think the most important thing why we reached this mix is that relationship to the director. That's why we overstepped the limit in this mix.